In this classroom, we have whiteboards along the walls that also function as projectors, as well as tables for students to use. First, you will need to locate the control panel on your podium. On the screen, there'll be buttons on how you would like to begin. Your options are starting with all the projectors, only the center projectors, or no projectors. Once you have selected a button, you will see a list of sources on the left side of the screen. These sources are your options for what is going to be shown on your podium monitor and the displays. Your options are Ninernet PC, laptop, and document camera. Ninernet PC is the computer on the podium. If you click this button, the projector will show what is on this PC. Laptops is if you have a secondary laptop that has an HDMI or VGA port. You can plug the cord located on the podium into the laptop. Once the cord is plugged into the laptop, click the designated button. This will display what is on your laptop to the projector screen. Last on the list is the document camera. Once you click this button, it'll show you a list of options in the middle of the screen. These control the document camera. The first listed is the power button. This will turn the document camera on and off. You can use this panel to adjust the lights on the document camera by turning off all lamps or turning on the arm or back lamps individually. You can also use this panel to zoom the camera in or out, rotate the image, or freeze the image. There are also buttons on the document camera itself to control these features. To return to the main menu and no longer show the document camera screen, you can press the button of the source you want to use. On the bottom right of the screen, there is a button labeled System Tools. When you press this, options for the projectors will be displayed. Since there are multiple projectors in the room, there are buttons to control each one. You can turn them on and off, or you can connect sources to them individually. HDMI 1 is the podium display, and HDMI 2 is if you have a laptop that you want to connect to the screens individually. There is an HDMI port on the wall under each projector that you can use to do so.